What is affiliate marketing and how you can start with it coming right up. Hey, what's going on, my friends? Miller Brett here and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you what is affiliate marketing and how you can start with it. But before we get on to the video, on this channel, I'll show you how to make money online. And if you're interested in those type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. Alright, let's get on to the video. So what is affiliate marketing? So how I define affiliate marketing is really simple actually. It's just, selling other people's product or service, right? So that's what I love about affiliate marketing, is that you can start out selling or make money or profit online without really having to create a product of your own. You can just find a product or service that you like and you just promote it or refer people to it, right? And one thing I also like about affiliate marketing is that mostly you are selling digital products, right? So when you sell digital products, because they don't have a cost on maintaining it, they can give you a commission as high as 40 to 50%. So just imagine selling $100 product, right? When you sell $100 product and you earn 50% commission, that's already $50 in your pocket right now, easy. And you just refer people to it. That's how you're gonna make money. So imagine $50 in a day. That's basically a full-time income in most people, right? So that's how you can make money with affiliate marketing, easy, and you just start it out, without any kind of investment or just buying a product, but you can just sell a product, find a product, promote it, and then make that kind of commission, right? So that's what affiliate marketing works, right? So next up is and how you can start with affiliate marketing. So first off, I want to show you that you can start with affiliate marketing. But I want to tell you that before you find a product or service that you're going to promote, you're going to have to decide first on which niche that you're going to get into, right? But on this video, I'm going to show you what are the 3 niches that I recommend you to check it out when you're going to start out. So what are the 3 niches, right? So the first niche is health, right? And the other one is money, right? Make money online. Right? The other one is relationship. So when you're gonna start out, I suggest you pick one niche that you wanna get into, something that you're passionate about, or something that you can talk about, right? So that's how we're gonna start out with affiliate marketing. So you find product from health, money, make money online, those type of product, or relationship, right? Now, once you figure out which niche you're gonna get into, you're now gonna think of a platform that you're gonna promote. So you wanna do Facebook, right? Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, right? LinkedIn, or else Pinterest. No, there's a tons of avenue where you can start promoting. But what I would suggest is that these 4 big players, right? Or Instagram. I think Instagram is, LinkedIn. I think LinkedIn is a very good platform right now to get quality leads. But which platform you're comfortable with. So in Facebook, basically, it's all about networking, finding the right people, and then offering the product or service in front of them and see if they buy. The other one, Instagram and Twitter, pretty much the same, growing an audience in there. YouTube, making videos, and actually, if I'm gonna be really honest with you, I think YouTube is the one way that you can really grow an affiliate business using YouTube, right? So, but that's gonna be another video. So once you figure out which platform that you're gonna try to promote, right? Now we're gonna go to picking a product or service that you're gonna go promote. So we're gonna go back to my browser, right? So these are the 3 marketplaces that I would recommend if you're gonna start out. And first one is ClickBank. So ClickBank is a very good marketplace. They're basically a lot of good affiliate there, which means they have a good product creators in here that are making very quality products for you to sell. And let's say if you are in the in the make money niche, I would go here on the or let's say here on the health and fitness, right? If you want to, if you like to talk about health and fitness, so let's check it out, which product. Then you have products here that, um, Get Lean program. This is one good, it's like an affiliate program where you can promote. And once you pick that, right, then you can start promoting that on your which platform that you want to do. So this is the first one. So ClickBank. The other one is JVZoo. JVZoo is still the same as ClickBank, but they have different affiliate offers for different products, because sometimes there are affiliates that are just exclusive to one marketplace. That's why I'm going to share with you my top three marketplace to start as an affiliate. And the other one is Warrior Plus. So this is one marketplace that I would recommend you to start out. So what I would suggest is, you come in, pick a product, do your research, just pick what product that tells you, hey, I love this product, I think it's a good product, and I think I would love to recommend this to my friends and family. That's the type of products that you can start out with, right? So after that, now once you pick a product, what I would suggest for you, because I don't want to set you out in the wrong ways, right? What I would like you to do is that before you start promoting, it's really best for you to start out your business knowing that your business revolves around one simple machine, right? And it's called email, right? Email. Why would that be? Because once you build an email list, right? Once you build an email list of people that are willing to buy products from you, you can promote any product you want in the near future, right? So you're just not promoting one product all the time, right? Because sometimes people change, the marketplace change. So once you have email list, what I would suggest you to do is that before you start promoting, I want you to build an email list first. So how you can do that? How you can build an email list? First off, you need what we call an auto responder, right? That's what you need, an autoresponder. So there's a lot of autoresponder out there. I would suggest you start with Aweber. The other one is GetResponse, right? MailChimp, there's a good one. There's a lot of autoresponder there, but I would suggest you start out with these three. Basically, I use Aweber because it's a little bit more user-friendly in my case, right? I try GetResponse. I don't know how to get around with it, but GetResponse is a little bit cheaper with Aweber, but Aweber, I highly recommend you do Aweber, right? So that's what you do. So what you need is autoresponder. So the autoresponders are they will capture, or they will store your email list for you. And how you can capture your email list is by using what we call a lead capture page, or a landing page, right? That's what they call it. So basically it looks like this. Let me go to my funnelizer. So I will show you a landing page that I'm currently using. So this is what your landing page basically looks like. So there's a headline, right? So what's the the copyright, or what's your product's about? Put your name here, email, and then when they put their name and email, when they get instant access, that email will now store to your autoresponder, and now you have an email list, right? So that's how you're gonna do it. So before you start promoting again, build an email list by using a landing page like this one, and then you use this one to promote your product or service, and then capture that email list. All right, that's what you're gonna do. So that's how basically that's how affiliate marketing works. You find a product or service, you find a niche that you are passionate about, and then you pick a platform where you're going to promote it, and then you build a page like this and capture their email, and then basically promoting the product or service that you want. All right, guys, so I don't want to blur you out with all the needy details, but that's basically how affiliate marketing works. And guys, if you're really interested on, and if you're really serious in building an online business with affiliate marketing, I would highly suggest you check out Legendary Marketer, right? So Legendary Marketer is the company that I'm actually affiliated with right now, and they taught me the nuts and bolts of an online business, right? And the good news, guys, is that we are offering a 15-day workshop where you will be working with our mentor, David Sharp, and on that 15 days, he will show you step by step, nuts and bolts, and we're gonna paste this all together, and after 15 days, you're ready. You know how to build an online business, and then you're gonna get ready to rock and roll. So if you want to join the Legendary Marketer 15-day workshop, it's free. There's a sign-up link on my #1 recommendation on to make a full-time income down in the description down below. Make sure you check it out. Sign up there and do the 15-day workshop. And believe me, guys, after this, you're gonna build a profitable online business using affiliate marketing. And I'm really excited for you to begin your online journey as an entrepreneur. Alright, guys, so this is it for today. I really hope you get value. I try to make it so simple that I don't want to complicate things, but I really do hope you get value from this one. And if you have any questions about affiliate marketing, just leave me a comment on down below and let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, or if you have a comment, or give me your thoughts. All right, I really appreciate any comment or what you guys think on a video about affiliate marketing. Right, so this is it for today. Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.